Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain how can you get rid of acne, pimples and rashes by using baking soda, Vaseline and toothpaste. How can you get rid of acne, rashes and pimples by using baking soda, Vaseline and toothpaste? So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. So let's dive in. Okay, so this is our mixture which contains Vaseline, it contains toothpaste, also it contains baking soda. So after making this mixture, you are going to apply it to your face, all over your face. So I'm going to apply it. But if your skin is sensitive, don't apply it. If you see that it gives irritation to your skin or burning sensation to your skin, don't apply it. Okay, so make sure that you wait for at least 5 minutes, then you wash your face, and you make sure that you use at least warm water so that it can melt the Vaseline which you have used. So the mixture, it contained Vaseline, it contained toothpaste, also it contains baking soda. So baking soda and toothpaste help to get rid of acne, also help to get rid of pimples and rashes. But the Vaseline which we use, Vaseline helped in moisturizing your skin, so your skin will be having good moisture. And make sure that you do this in the evening. So in the evening, you make your mixture, then you apply, you wash your face, and then that like that. So we are going to see changes for at least after at least a week to 5 days. You're going to see change. So let me know if I've use this way and I've been helpful to you. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.